we are going to the carnival, and you can bring the fun to your home or backyard with these 4 carnival favorites. There's corn dogs, funnel cake, snow cones, and cotton candy. So there's something everyone will enjoy. You will win big, surprising your family and friends with this idea. Just grab some popcorn and fun games too. Oops, I just knocked over the popcorn. And don't forget the prizes. I haven't seen any carnivals around this summer, so let's create one together and be sure to keep on watching. For the corn dog recipe, I use Jiffy Corn Muffin mix as a shortcut that is equally as delicious. But before we make the batter, I recommend soaking your wooden skewers. That way they don't burn when we fry them. And if you could find the honey version of corn muffin mix, it gives it an amazing flavor, but the original version works great too. First, to a large bowl, I'm adding 2 packages of the corn muffin mix with 1 1/3 cup of flour and whisking those dry ingredients together until combined. For the remaining wet ingredients, I'm pouring in 2 whole eggs, 2 cups of milk or water, whichever you prefer best, and whisk, whisk, whisk until the batter is smooth. Now I'm setting the batter aside while we prepare the hot dogs. I'm patting them dry with a paper towel and inserting the wooden skewers straight in as far as they go without poking through the other side, just like that. And a super important step that you don't want to forget is to coat the hot dogs in cornstarch. Just roll them in and spread from top to bottom, otherwise your batter won't stick to the hot dog. The best part about this batter is that it doesn't need to set in the fridge and we can get frying right away. To get started, I place the batter into a tall cup, have the hot dogs ready, and a plate with plenty of paper towels and tongs. On the stove, I'm bringing a large pot of oil to medium-high heat until it is 375 degrees. And right before it comes to temperature, go ahead and dip the hot dog straight into the cup to coat with the batter. And once coated, pull straight out to prevent air bubbles. Carefully drop it into the oil. I flip it over a few times until evenly golden brown. This should take about 3 minutes. And watch your temperature to make sure it never drops below 350, otherwise it will get soggy. We only want crispy corn dogs. Serve this carnival entree with a swirl of mustard and enjoy! Next, we are cooling off with these snow cones as a refreshing treat. They are so easy to make, the yummy syrups with your favorite flavors of Kool-Aid. I will be sure to link this assortment in the description box below so you can try them out. Into a pot, I'm pouring 1 3/4 cup of sugar and 1/2 cup of water. Then bring the mixture to a boil. When it is boiling, you can lower it to a simmer for about 5 minutes or until the mixture thickens into a syrup. It is time to remove that syrup from the heat and immediately mix in 1 package of Kool-Aid. I made all different colors of the rainbow for the different snow cone designs, but this lemon lime one looks like slime. Later on, we will be squeezing out our syrups onto the ice. So once they have cooled down, I transfer them into plastic squeeze bottles with a funnel so we don't make a mess. And 1, 2, 3, all of our colored flavored syrups are done. To shave the ice, I'm using a snow cone maker. You want to take a paper snow cone cup and drop it right into the plastic holder to mold the shape of the snow cone. And when removing the top, you will see 2 blades on the top and inside, so always be careful and have someone help you. All you need is a small amount of ice. Do not overfill or the top will get stuck, and just press the button. The ice looks like flurries of snow. After filling the cone with the crushed ice, you can remove the paper cups from the plastic cone and freeze them for up to an hour if not ready to serve. Right before eating, squeeze your choice of syrups onto the ice immediately so they don't melt. This one had cherry, lemonade, and blue raspberry lemonade flavors. It was my favorite combination. And another awesome one was grape with lemon, lime, and orange. The next treat we're going to make are these funnel cakes that are crisp on the outside and soft and fluffy on the inside. And the best part is you can try the recipe anytime you are craving a funnel cake because they require common ingredients you already have in your pantry. Going into a large bowl is 3 1/4 cups of flour, half of a cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, and Mr. Elephant is helping us whisk that up. And guys, I wanted to welcome you if you are new to my channel. If you enjoy seeing a spin on fun recipes, make sure you join the party and subscribe for new tutorials every week. The remaining ingredients are 4 whole eggs, 2 1/2 cups of milk, and 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. Be thorough when incorporating everything to remove any lumps for a smooth batter and set it aside for 30 minutes to thicken up. I know these are called funnel cakes, but I actually like using a batter dispenser and have a baking tray lined with paper towels ready on the side. Also, this is an 8-inch cookie cutter. It is definitely the trick to making a perfect shaped funnel cake. Right before the oil comes to 350 degrees, center the cookie cutter into the pot and squeeze the batter or swirl your funnel around to make random zigzags and continue zigzagging to fill up any large gaps. This is a lot of fun, guys. Once the batter has set, which usually takes a minute, you can remove the cookie cutter and flip over your funnel cake. For a beautiful golden brown result, I flip it over again after another minute. How tasty do these look already? I can't stress enough to always be careful when frying with hot oil. One more time speed round so you're a pro. The zigzagging is so much fun with the batter dispenser. Wait for 1 minute to remove the cookie cutter. Flip it over and brown for 1 more minute and repeat until golden brown. If you love donuts, these are easier to make. You definitely need to try them at home. And don't forget to top with lots of powdered sugar. Last but not least, for the cotton candy, I highly recommend doing this part outside because cotton candy will go everywhere unless your machine comes with a plastic shield. For our supplies, you need flossing sugar of your choice. I'm using blue raspberry, grape, and cherry that came in my kit and it smells amazing. A cotton candy scoop and paper cones. 1 scoop of the flossing sugar makes 2 medium-sized or 1 large portion of cotton candy. It all depends on how much you want. I'm switching the temperature all the way up and turning the machine on. My machine takes about 5 minutes to heat up and form the sugar for the first one. When you see the web of sugar, wave your cone where you feel the air flowing and spin around the web to catch it. You don't need to catch everything in the machine. After you catch onto that web, just spin up and out of the machine, not inside or it will get squished. We want to keep the cotton candy fluffy. Keep spinning and work your way down the cone until it is the size and as fluffy of cotton candy as you want. I hope you enjoyed making these carnival treats with me. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. It's Christina here. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.